Making Prepositions Make Sense, an English learning guide. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English prepositions. We'll understand what prepositions are, how they function in a sentence, and most importantly, how to use them correctly. This video is the perfect practice zone for anyone who wishes to refine their English grammar skills. Prepositions are little words that pack a big punch. They connect and relate words in a sentence, often telling us about direction, place, time, or manner. Some common prepositions include in, on, at, for, with, and about. The best way to learn prepositions is to see them in action. Let's create some sentences. 1. Example 1. She is in the garden. Here, in is the preposition which tells us where she is. 2. Example 2. He is going to the market. In this sentence, to is the preposition and it tells us where he is going. 3. Example 3. They will arrive at noon. Here, at is the preposition, giving us information about when they will arrive. Remember, practice is key to mastering prepositions. Now it's your turn. Try to form sentences using prepositions. Start with simple sentences, then gradually make them more complex. Keep in mind the roles that prepositions play, indicating time, place, direction, or manner. Here's a task. Make 3 sentences, one each using the prepositions in, to, and at. That wraps up our session on prepositions. Keep practicing, as consistency is key when mastering prepositions. It might be challenging at first, but with time and practice, you'll be using prepositions as smoothly as a native speaker. Remember, learning is a journey, not a race. Till our next grammar adventure, happy learning. Don't forget to share your sentences in the comments section below. We're all here to learn together.